So here is how you fully white label and brand your GoHighLevel account like a pro. Starting with setting up a custom domain. You go to the agency level for that, switch to agency view, and you click on settings. Inside settings, you click on company tab, and here you will find the option to white label it. Now, in the white label part, you will find the option to update the logo. So mine is the Savan Kumar logo that you are seeing over here. On the top left, the domain. So you can add a custom domain and connect it with GoDaddy or whoever your domain provider is. The API domain, the policies, some customizations that you might want to do to your app so that it looks different, and the option to choose a light or a dark theme. So that's the most basic settings of white labeling your platform. Then what you can also do is you can upload your agency logo, favicon, and set your brand colors. These will appear across login pages, dashboards, emails, and system notifications. Cool, that's that. Next is to customize your login screens. Let's find it out if we have these options over here. If not, then we might find it elsewhere. Settings. Okay. So once you're done with that, you can also have branded emails and SMS notification. You can set up emails and SMS templates with your logo, your signature, and your tone. So this enhances clients' trust and keeps your brand in the front and center. What you also have an option to do is to launch your white label mobile app. Your own white label mobile app perfect for agencies and small businesses. Make your brand stand out with a custom mobile app that looks and feels like your own. High Level's white label mobile app lets you skip the coding, simplify engagement, and print brand loyalty with a mobile experience that reflects your business. So what this does is you simply can, the way we white labeled the web backend, you can also white label the mobile app. So you can update your custom branding, personalize your app with logos, colors, fonts, and menu items. And you can upload the app to the Apple App Store and use all of that over here. Enhancing client management, engagement, simplifying remote team management, consistent branding across franchisees, providing added value to clients, hosting branded training and event, and streamlining new brands integration. So what you get is effortless brand customization, frictionless client communication, scalability without complexity, app store visibility, no hassle, seamless CRM integration, and stand out in the crowded market. That's about the white label mobile app. Next is the white label SaaS mode. What is the SaaS mode? Technically, SaaS mode is two set of features for your clients and for your agency. SaaS mode helps you to auto-generate sub-accounts, auto-user plus permission generation, non-payment lockouts, dual rebilling, SaaS dashboard. For your clients, two-way text messaging, web chat, so all the features that you want to give to your clients. How do you get started? You will find all of these details right here. So that's the white label SaaS mode where you can use the entire GoHighLevel platform as your platform. White label the entire SaaS thing, give access to your clients. Meaning you work exactly the way GoHighLevel works. Just the difference being you doing it under your brand name, your logo, your brand colors, and all of that.